A murder trial began in Greenville County today. Two men are charged in the death of a missing man from Spartanburg County who had ties to the South Carolina State House. Argo Rector and Octavio Wright charged in the death of Hall Escu. He was reported missing around Christmas in 2018. His body was later found near Chick Springs and Michelle Drive in Taylors. The coroner said the victim was shot to death. He was the brother of former South Carolina Governor Carol Campbell's press secretary. And this is a look inside that courtroom today. The jury was selected, and we heard opening statements in the case. Now, one of the suspects represented himself in court.